Hi, and welcome to my class, Wake Up Your Character Illustration. My name is Anja Grote. I am an illustrator from Germany, working mainly in the fields of children's books and advertising. This class is about character illustration geared towards creating an art print and developing a set of characters to play with later on in other projects. Throughout this class, we will touch on several topics. We will speak about the class project and developing ideas, sketching and developing the character, staging and creating an interesting scene. We'll touch on the lighting situation, and finally I'm sharing with you my painting technique, which is based on analog watercolor and digital finalization. I love the natural look, pastel colors and the vivid structure that come by working this way. But you are completely free to work in other techniques if you like. Basic drawing skills are required though, since we will cover some things only briefly, like drawing in perspective. So I hope this sounds interesting to you, and I think that we can have a lot of fun creating together.